Okay, and here's what I did. I multiplied 4 times 4 and got 16. I multiplied 3x times 7 and got 21x. And then you divide by the coefficients. So divide by 21 on both sides, you get 16 over 21 there. So hopefully you got that. Let's move on to something a little more exciting. Okay, and we'll call this an algebraic proportion. This is an algebraic proportion. Algebraic proportion. Right there. Okay, so what that means is that you have some algebraic expressions in there and not just an x or 2x or something like that. So we have addition and subtraction. To handle this, we'll cross multiply like usual. So let me make sure you have this written down. It's x plus 2 over 3. X plus 2 over 3, and 2x minus 1 over 4. 2x minus 1 over 4. And then we're going to cross multiply that same way. And really, the only thing that's a little additional here is that you have to remember to use the distributive property. So when I take 3 times 2x minus 1, I have to take 3 times both of those numbers. So that'll be 6x minus 3. Okay, so 3 times both of those numbers, 6x minus 3. And then do the other one, 4 times this one over here. Well, 4 times x, that's 4x, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 4x plus 8. Okay, groovy. So that is your first step, and once you have that, you can say, oh, okay, well, this is an equation with a variable on both sides. Let me see, I could either subtract 6 or subtract 4. I'm going to subtract 4. You could subtract 6x on both sides, but subtracting 4x will just avoid a negative, a little less likely you'll make a mistake on that. Everyone makes mistakes. It's just a matter of mitigating your chances. So I subtracted 4x on times. It's really important to write minus 4x and not just minus 4 there, because then it's real easy to see that your like terms are lining up and you won't put anything in the wrong place. So make sure you're writing minus 4x if you are minusing 4x. Okay, now this side over here, 2x minus 3, let's plus 3. And write down the rest. 8 plus 3 is 11, and divide by 2. Okay, those 2's will cancel. 11 over 2 doesn't reduce, so I'll just leave my answer right there. X equals 11 halves. X equals 11 over 2. Okay, so that is how we approach an algebraic proportion. It's just an additional distributive property step. That's all. Alright, your try is right here. Let me see if I can leave that up there while I get your... Ooh, that's it. Good. So go ahead and try that out. I'll give you a minute, and then I'll catch up with you. Be sure everyone in your group gets the same answer.